Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. So, okay, there is stuff all over the camera lens, but whatever. Anyway, today's video is a compilation of my packing. I'm moving out to New York tomorrow, so I thought it'd be fun to put together a packing vlog for my dorm room. So let's get started. So today is Saturday the 14th, I think. It's either like 12 or 13 days until I move to college, but I really have to get started on packing. I've done the tiniest bit, but it's like nothing in compared to the grand scheme of things. But for some reason right now I have the weird urge to start packing all of my clothes, so we're gonna do that. Also, my clothing rack, let me show you guys, it is broken. See, like, it is totally tilted to the side. I don't know if you can tell, but look right there. So I kind of feel like this thing is gonna come crashing down. I'm gonna first pull out the things that I know I'm absolutely gonna wear. All this stuff right here is winter stuff, so I'm just gonna put it to the side for now because I won't need that when it's 95 degrees. I'm gonna take these big black oversized graphic t-shirts because I just love these. I wear them all the time. I'm literally wearing one right now. Since I live in Colorado, I have so many winter sweaters and like oversized hoodies. And my winter break is a month and a half in January. So I do want to have like stuff here that I can wear here when I come back for the holidays. So here is the initial pile so far. I still have to go through all the clothing that's on the rack and all the clothing that's in the laundry, but I'm just gonna get all of this folded for now. I feel like the way to not make this overwhelming is only to do a little bit at a time. I also have to do all the pants as well. So this is what I have done so far. I'm trying to fold them with like suitcase space in mind. So I'm really like squeezing these things together. But what I'm noticing is I really need to limit myself on how many t-shirts I'm taking because I don't need to take every single t-shirt that I own. So it's a lot later now. This is what I have so far. I've folded all of the tops. I've done a pretty decent job of getting this rack cleared off. And I just have some outfits laid out for this upcoming week. And then I have this random pile. I don't even know what this pile is. And then over there are the outfits that I'm gonna wear like once we arrive in New York, before the 2 days before we move in. Now on to the pants. A lot of these are actually jeans, and I'm realizing that I probably don't need that many jeans, so I'm just gonna fold them and think about which ones I actually need to take. So I'm gonna put all of the like little tank top things in this first suitcase, and then we're gonna see how much I can fit in here at once. So I've shoved so much in here. It's like, I'm actually so surprised of how much stuff I was able to get in this one suitcase. There's actually not too many clothes that are left, just that's kind of pile right there. So yeah, but I think I'm going to be done for today. Okay, so it's the next Saturday. It's 5 days until I move out, so I'm literally get more excited every single day. I've been talking a lot to my roommate, and we are quite similar. She's just so cool, so I can't wait to meet her. But anyway, I haven't done too much more packing. I've just kind of put stuff into piles and made some more lists. So currently this is our guest bedroom, so I just kind of have a pile of stuff everywhere. These are the pillows I've got, my comforter, some blankets. Then I have like my winter coat that I'm gonna have my mom mail out closer to winter time, and then I just have like sheets and towels. And in this Urban Outfitters bag, I just put all of my decor stuff. I have so many of these Urban Outfitters bags that I decided just to use them for storage. And then I have my accent pillows, which I'm going to ship out in shipping boxes. My kitchen stuff is in this general area. Bathroom stuff is in this general area. School supplies is in that general area. And then this is just like random stuff. And then come with me out into the hallway. There's my carry-on suitcase. The lighting is kind of bad right here, but I packed this suitcase too last Saturday, and this just has more clothes and stuff. It's not fully packed, like I left some spaces in here too for the clothing that's like currently in the laundry. This half is my athletic stuff. This is jeans and shorts. And then I just have tops and random other stuff. Anyway, now I think I'm just gonna pack some of the bathroom stuff. But as you can tell, I literally just have so many like random toiletries. I'm gonna put all of my nail care stuff into one Ziploc bag, so it's just all in a spot. Yes, I'm bringing a lot of nail polish, but I paint my nails like every week, so. Then I have nail scissors and hangnail scissors. These are so cool. They're like rose gold. I really like the look of these. And I have nail files as well. Then I'm just gonna put more bathroom stuff into this Urban Outfitters bag. These are my shower shoes. I have so many Tide pens because I spill everything on myself. This bottle of ibuprofen, it took me like 10 minutes to figure out how to open it, which is kind of embarrassing. So I pulled up one of the big suitcases from the basement. This one I'm just gonna put pretty much everything that's not clothes in here. This is like a big suitcase too, so I should be able to fit a lot in here. Quite roomy. So this is the bag of decor and command strips and such. If you watched my dorm room haul video, you know pretty much what all of this is. Ooh, that actually takes up a pretty big chunk. This is my laptop bag too for class. These are my contact lenses. Obviously I need those because my vision is so bad. Okay, I decided to switch gears a little bit. Now I'm going to pack some of my makeup. I'm trying not to pack too much makeup. I'm only gonna pack like the stuff that I absolutely use. I also made this really messy to-do list, and I'm just crossing everything off as I do it. Like, my handwriting looks so bad, but it's so satisfying to cross stuff off the list with a dry erase marker. Bringing this palette. And I also really like this one, this California Love one by ColourPop. It's like warm tones. And this one I also use constantly, but I'm gonna pack this one in my carry-on because I'll use this one like on the days that I'm moving in. This ColourPop one I just got, and it's pink, so I'm gonna bring this one too. Bring this backup mascara, this backup eyeliner. Gonna bring my backup Glossier lip balm things. I don't even like wear red lipstick, but I feel like that's kind of a fun thing just to have on hand. Like, look how red this is. Okay, so this suitcase is really close to being packed. I'm just waiting to put the sheets and the towels in before I seal these up because I don't want them to sit sealed completely for like a week because I don't want like mildew growing in them. So once I put those in there, it'll be completely packed. And now here is the last suitcase. This is literally gonna have the weirdest combination of stuff in it. I'm thinking shoes, kitchen stuff, and whatever else, and like pajamas and sweatpants. Aside from these shoes that I'm packing right now, I'm bringing my black Doc Martens and my Air Force Ones. So that's pretty much all I think I'm gonna need. I may bring like a pair of heels too for like going out. Bring slippers, ankle boots, and thigh-high boots. Still like a ton of room left in here. This is my bag of school supplies. If you haven't watched my school supplies video, go watch that. I know a lot of people liked that video, so if you're interested in that, oh my gosh, I'm like struggling so much right now. Okay. There we go. What's up? So today is Sunday, 4 more days until I move out. Right now, I'm currently packaging the box that I'm going to ship out to my dorm room. We're only allowed to ship out 3 boxes, so this is one of them. And I already shipped out a pots and pans box that I just like ordered online through Macy's. But this box is going to need to contain this pillow and all my accent pillows and a couple of sweatshirts in here as well. So I'm just gonna seal all the stuff into Ziploc bags so it squishes all of the air out of them because I think this may be a tight fit. This is fun. Shipping is expensive, so I don't want to have to send out extra boxes. Hence why I'm literally sitting on these pillows to squish all the air out of them. Perfect. Like, see how much air came out of this? This is perfect. Oh, this actually isn't that heavy. It's maybe like 20 pounds maximum. I don't know, I'll have to go weigh it. And now I need to create a shipping label. I think I'm gonna pack another box just with some of my winter clothes, so then either I'll ship it out or my mom will ship it out later. So now it is Tuesday night. I have this suitcase all zipped up and ready to go. This is one of the suitcases that has clothing. As you can tell, it is very, very thick, but I don't think it's gonna explode, so that's the goal. I'm gonna go zip up the other one, and yeah, I'm pretty much done with packing other than last minute things like my makeup, my laptop, you know, phone chargers, all that stuff. This one is a lot tighter, or it's gonna be a lot tighter, I just can tell. The expander is already open, so let's just hope everything fits. Gosh, these are probably gonna be overweight too, let's be honest. It's closing, barely. My clothes may explode in the middle of the plane, but whatever. Actually, not whatever, that would be really bad. Oh my gosh, that is heavy. Okay, this one is all zipped now. This is the kitchen one. And let's zip the last one. There we go, all packed, everything is done except for the carry-on, which I will do tomorrow. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this packing vlog. I am all done with packing now. It is a Wednesday. I leave tomorrow for New York City. I can't sleep at night. I am so excited, but yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to. Subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on so you are ready for all of the New York videos. And follow me on Instagram for more fashion content and daily updates. And also follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you next time. Bye!